welcome back to Popped In channel. Today I'm going to be opening up some mystery minis, little bitty pops, and some bobbleheads. So let's see. Alright, from Toy Story. This is the first little mini bitty pop we'll be opening up. Let's see who we get. This is Emperor Zurich. I've collected several bitty pops, but don't collect them as much as I do the regular Funko Pops. Is that Gabby? Yep. Gabby. These are really cute, and that's it for Toy Story. Then I have Disney Princess. Let's see. This is what you can get. So you can get 1 of 12, Snow White, Jasmine, Ariel. So they're all 1 of 12. It looks like all the Disney princess. So let's see which mini we get. Rapunzel. That's cute. I like that. And I know now they make different little holders and all for the bitty pops that you can put in your display. So that's interesting. This next one. Oh, Snow White. I like that. Snow White's one of my favorite Disney princess. All right, and then we have Friends. And this is the different ones you get from Friends. So, let's see. Chandler Bing. In costume. This is cute. I wasn't expecting that one. So I guess you can get them in their costumes and different. That is 1 of 12. It looks like all of these could be 1 of 12. All right. My next Friends. Ross Geller. Oh, I don't know who he was supposed to be in this one here. Or is this him when he was in his younger days, when he was supposed to have a mustache and all? Okay. Next, I got some Star Wars. All right. This is our Stormtrooper. Look at that. Got me a little Stormtrooper. Okay. Can't get a Star Wars figure without getting a Stormtrooper now. Not bad at all. Okay. And what's this other one? Oh, Princess Leia. All right. I'm happy with my little Star Wars bitty pops. You know what? I'm happy with all of them, but what I got on the Star Wars is exciting, and I'm happy about that. So this next one is the bobbleheads. This just brings fond memories to me. When my niece was like 2-3 years old, when I would babysit her, we would watch this little cartoon show. Well, I always call them by the wrong name. I call them the Powerpuff Girls. I guess after a while of me saying it wrong, she looked up at me one day and said, "Aunt Anna, these are not They are not made out of powder. They are made out of power. They are the Powerpuff Girls. So, guess she corrected me, and now I make sure not to make that mistake anymore. But, yes, the Powerpuff Girls. This is Bubbles, Bobblehead, then Buttercup. I found these at Five Below, so it was exciting and just a little nostalgia. And Blossom. So, leave your comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And just let me know what you thought about these videos. Bye now.